Removing the stand from your Sceptre monitor has become much easier with modern models. The process varies slightly depending on when your monitor was manufactured. Sceptre has standardized their stand removal mechanisms. Models from 2023 and 2024 feature tool-free removal systems, while older models from 2018 to 2021 may require a Phillips head screwdriver. Here's the complete step-by-step process to safely remove your Sceptre monitor stand. Step 1. Power down your monitor completely and unplug all cables. This ensures safety during the removal process. Step 2. Carefully lay the monitor face down on a soft, clean surface. This protects the screen from scratches or damage during the removal process. Step 3. Locate the release mechanism. This is typically a button or lever at the base connection point where the stand meets the monitor. The red arrows in this image show the key areas to look for. Step 4. Press the release mechanism while simultaneously lifting the base away from the monitor. The base should separate cleanly from the monitor body. For older Sceptre models manufactured between 2018 and 2021, you may need a Phillips head screwdriver to remove screws before the stand can be separated. Once the stand is successfully removed, you'll have access to the VISA mounting holes on the back of your monitor. These standardized holes allow you to attach monitor arms, wall mounts, or other mounting solutions for improved ergonomics. Before removing your Sceptre monitor stand, several critical safety considerations must be addressed to prevent damage and ensure a smooth process. First, understand that Sceptre monitors range from 8 to 25 pounds in weight. This significant weight requires proper preparation and support during the removal process. LCD and LED panels are extremely vulnerable to pressure damage. Always place the monitor face down on a soft, clean surface to protect the screen during stand removal. Always disconnect all cables before attempting stand removal. This prevents damage to ports and ensures you have full mobility during the process. The most common error is attempting removal without properly activating the release mechanism. Additionally, many users miss secondary release clips that must be disengaged. Premium models like the Sceptre U275W-4000R feature enhanced quick-release systems with removal instructions printed directly on the base label. These models may require professional installation due to their weight. Remember these key safety points. Ensure proper support for the monitor's weight, protect the screen surface, disconnect all cables first, and locate all release mechanisms before attempting removal. Following these guidelines will ensure a safe and successful stand removal process.